In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and start a meeting as a host in Google Meet. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use as the host. You can check this by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. If you're not signed in, click there and log in with your usual account before moving on. Now, look at the top right of the Google homepage and click on the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps icon. This opens a menu with different Google services. From here, select Google Meet. If you don't see it right away, you may need to scroll within the menu, or you can simply type Google Meet into the search bar and open it from the results. Once Google Meet is open, you'll see options to start or schedule a meeting. To create a new meeting as the host, choose the option to start an instant meeting if you want to begin right now. Google Meet will open a new meeting room and may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Allow these permissions so participants can see and hear you. Take a moment to check your video and audio preview and adjust your camera angle, microphone, or background settings if needed. On this screen, you'll also see your meeting link and a joining code. This is what you'll share with the people you want to invite. You can copy the link and send it through email, chat, or your preferred messaging app. Remember, anyone with this link may be able to request to join, so share it only with people you actually want in the meeting. When you're ready, click the button to join the meeting. As the host, you will enter first and can control who joins. If participants are not part of your organization or you have extra security settings, they may need to ask to join. You'll see a prompt on your screen where you can admit or deny each person. During the meeting, you can mute participants, remove them if necessary, or change host controls, like who can share their screen or send chat messages. When you're done, simply click the Leave Call button. This ends the meeting for you as the host, and if everyone else has left, the meeting will fully close. And that's how you create and start a meeting as a host in Google Meet.